Alifia, Hafizha,
and Davina.
And we are from SAINS BINA INSAN KAMIL TUBAN. We're gonna talk about our STEAM project. In this project, we are making a carbon dots by the title "The Effectiveness of Siwalan or Borassus flabellifer shell carbon dots to absorb heavy metal ion on batik canvas."
Carbon dots are another material technology made of organic material that can absorb heavy metal ions such as chromium.
We are from Tuban, Jawa Timur, where we have abundant Siwalan tree and batik post production, which also caused two problems in this place. The first was the Siwalan tree. The problem caused by this was only the fruit was taken to be consumed, but the shell was never been used. And the second was from the batik dyeing wastewater in batik making process that can damage the environment. Batik production houses always throw their wastewater from the dyeing process in batik making to the drain, and it goes all the way to the river. On our research, we found that there's a high level of chromium, which if the dyeing water was mixed with the river water, it will be harmful for the environment.
On the other side, we found that the high cellulose and the Siwalan cell can help to reduce the chromium level on the batik dyeing waste. So we combined these two problems and made a solution out of it.
We did a test on our carbon dots on PT Angular Bioscience Lab Surabaya, and the result turns out our carbon dots can reduce the chromium level on batik dyeing waste by the level 0.010. Become a solution by mixing it with aqua dust. This is how it works. After that, we filter our solution with filter paper, and then we go straight by mixing it to the wastewater. And after a few hours, it will turn out to be like this. Some challenges that we faced during our project were probably the color of carbon dots and the effects that still left to. So we did some more paper research and did more tries until it worked.
The fun part about doing this research was probably as we did it as a team, and we went through a lot of happiness and also sad but little pain of when the result actually worked.
So that's all our STEAM project presentation. Once again, we are from SAINS BINA INSAN KAMIL TUBAN with us, Fairuz, Alifia, Hafizha,
And Davina.
and the last we say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.